Hey, what is up guys? Jay Burton here. We're going to talk about what prompt engineering is and how it really helps. So starting off, prompt engineering is just a way of talking to AI effectively and knowing how to make it give a better response. And then how to also give feedback to further keep getting that response better and better. So let's go to an example. I typed in here in ChatGPT, give me a good workout plan, you know? It's like, okay, great, yeah, here's a 45-minute 60 session, yada yada. Great. What happens if we further improve this prompt? So now I've got this one up here, which I typed in, generate me a workout plan, but then I added, what are some questions you need to ask me to give a better response? This little second snippet here, what are some questions you need to ask me? Super important. I would use that in almost everything. This gives AI more context, and that is key. We don't think about giving all the context. But now it's like, okay, great. Well, first off, tell me your goals. What's your experience? Are you a beginner? Are you advanced? What kind of schedule time frame do you have? Can you only work out in the mornings? Can you only work out a few days a week? What kind of equipment do you have? Are you doing free weights? Are you doing just body weight exercises? Health limitations? This is amazing. Now, the whole, when I answer these, it's going to give me a tailored workout plan that's significantly way better than the first one. And that's just one example of prompt engineering. And then it's also feedback, right? Same thing if you have a generated paper, you're writing a paper, give it feedback. Oh yeah, this looks great, except dumb it down. This definitely doesn't sound like me. Reduce it down to a college freshman level or even a high school senior level, right? And then you can even throw in a copy of one of your written assignments and say, reference this as well for wording and terminology to sound like me. Prompt engineering is huge. Gotta learn it. I got some quick examples here. So initial prompts on this left side and then follow-up prompts on the right side. Because that's what prompt engineering is. How to ask the question and how to give follow-up. So just things like the first one I already talked about, ask me the questions to help you give a better answer. Second one, before you answer, break the task into steps you would follow. So like a calculus or just math in general, if you're really not understanding and you want to get to that answer, include this in there. Don't just say, how do I solve this? It'll be more specific on each step to make sure you understand. Be concise and not wordy. I just need the answer. A lot of times AI it'll give you a paragraph. It's like, oh yeah, I'd love to answer this for you. It's a great, the blah, 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 blah. Just a 3-word answer would be great, right? Tell me the assumptions you're making and double check them with me. This is interesting because oddly AI has biases. Really strange. You wouldn't think it would. It does have biases. This helps it get around biases to give you a more appropriate response. And then follow-up prompts over on this right side make it punchier and more human. A way to turn like an essay from an AI-generated, ChatGPT to make it sound more human. Again, you can also say reference my attached document to use as a point to refer to make it sound like me. Give it examples so I can visualize it. That's very important. Simplify this without losing accuracy. That's big. Often it'll, like, maybe you have a paragraph you typed out and it's too big. And you're like, I've got to get this shrunk down, but I need all the power behind it, all the talking points. This is a fun prompt here. Redo it. Respond as though you're an expert in the matter with 10 years experience and you're mentoring me. This is awesome. I work in HR. This is actually a fun prompt I put in the back end, which, let me show you real quick if you don't know how to do this. You can put this one to make it always be in effect no matter what prompt you're asking. So if you go into ChatGPT, let me move my camera here. We're going to come all the way over here. Down here. Okay. So down here in the bottom right, click this and go to personalization. And then under personalization, custom instructions. You paste that in here every time. It'll be using anything in here at all times. Okay. So you can even put some of your prompt engineering questions and things in here. You could even add, ask me questions if you need more context for a better answer. Always respond like a professional, whatever it may be. So that's great to have. Turn this into a checklist. There's so many things you can do. It's just knowing the capabilities and being able to ask a more appropriate, stronger question will get you a better response from AI. Prompt engineering, it's great. And guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button and subscribe. Take care.